Hello, my name is Dr. Sharafi, one of the physicians in this clinic. How could I address you?
Well, my name is Mr. Smith.
Good to meet you, Mr. Smith.
Thank you.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, actually, doctor, I have a pain in my lower back. There's a spot
Oh,
right where the nearly near the end of my spine, and it
mm-hmm.
hurts me whenever I sit down. Actually, it hurts all the time. So yeah, I thought maybe I should come and see you.
Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that. It must be very, annoying. Okay. Okay, before we carry on, let me ask you more question. Could you describe the pain exactly for me? What kind of pain is that?
Well, it's a special, it's just particular spot. It's dull pain, like just a
Mm-hmm.
bruise or something. It's when I push on
Okay.
it, it hurts, and
Mm-hmm.
it's in my lower back. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Lower back. And could you tell me when it started exactly? When did it start exactly?
Well, it's been for 2 weeks, but it's getting worse. That's why I thought
Okay,
maybe I
getting
should come and
worse.
see you. Yes.
Okay. And does it radiate to anywhere?
Sorry, what is that?
Sorry, excuse me if it was vague. I mean that does it go anywhere else?
No, it doesn't. It's just there. Yes.
Oh, it's just there. Okay. And have you taken any medication for that?
I took some paracetamol and ibuprofen. Just helped a little bit, but the pain is still there.
A
So,
little, a little. Okay. And my last question is that did you experience fever? Did you detect any fever, high
no,
temperature?
no.
Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Okay, Mr. Smith, I totally understand how it must be annoying for you, and but don't worry, we will help you a lot. But before we go any further, I'm going to check if I have understood you correctly. You have a dull pain from 2 weeks ago in lower spot of your spine, and you have taken ibuprofen for it, but it didn't help a lot. It helped a little.
Okay, that's right. Yes.
Is there anything that you want to add?
Oh, it's just that I've been training for a rowing competition. It's
Oh,
in the last 6 weeks, and I've been doing more exercise,
mhm.
probably 3 times a week, and I do rowing and I do
Oh, it's
sit-ups and
important.
yes, and uh, yes. So I need to prepare for this competition because it's very important, and
Okay,
I wanted to know if there's something you can do, maybe an injection or something to help me
okay.
keep going for my exercise.
Mhm. Oh, it must be very important for you.
It is, yes, it's a chance of a
Okay.
lifetime, really, yes.
Okay. And then you had, you had extreme exercise recently.
I wouldn't say it's extreme, but yeah, I've been practicing, exercising hard, yes. It's not
Mm-hmm.
extreme, but yeah, it's quite
How
serious.
often? How often was it?
3 times a week I do,
Three
and
times.
I train for 3 hours.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, Mr. Smith, I think your condition is because of this overuse of your joints and muscles. It could be the main cause of it. And
Really? Okay.
yeah, yeah, overuse of joints and muscle can cause injury, and it can cause, spasms, or even it can cause some injuries to your spine,
So
and
what can
it
I
can
do
cause.
now?
Okay, there are some treatments that I will suggest to you. Is it okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. The most important thing is you should take time, give time to your muscles and joints, and they should, I think it's better. to reduce your exercise regime. And the other important thing is to see a physiotherapist. It
I
would
can't
help
do
you
that,
a lot.
doctor. I don't have time. I have to prepare for this
Mhm.
competition. I cannot stop exercising and I cannot see a physiotherapist.
Okay. It's quite understandable how important is this competition for you. But what is important? Your competition or your health? What is our priority? Your priority?
Well, the competition.
Okay, but I should tell you that if you go to this competition with your injured muscles and a joint, it will hurt more. And after that, maybe you can't do it for a long time.
Well,
Is
it
it?
doesn't matter because I need to do this competition. So,
Mhm.
is there any injection or something you could give me for to make this?
Of course, I will help you by your pain and I will prescribe you some painkillers. But as I said, this takes time and your joint and muscles needs a lower course of exercise regime and a physiotherapist should help your muscles and joints. And if you put much pressure on them, they would there would some long-term injuries for a long time. And it's your decision. I think it's better not to continue this competition.
Okay.
How does it sound to you?
Well, I can go for physiotherapy, but I cannot actually, I can't forget about the competition because it's so
Mhm.
important to me.
Yeah,
But
I
if you
could
think that
understand.
helps, I would go for it. Okay.
Yeah, it's a very good idea, and I'm glad to hear that. It will help a lot you, and wish you well. Do you have any other question?
No, that's it, doctor. Thank you.
Okay. I wish you well. Bye.
Bye.